Derek.
Derek? Nice to meet you, Derek.
Oh, hey, Cal.
What's your name?
Karolina.
Pardon?
Karolina.
Carolina, I'm Rick.
I see
Nice to meet you. Okay, we're going this way.
Cal, Cal.
Where else you gonna get views like this?
Wow, nowhere.
Yeah, like,
Oh my gosh.
yeah, isn't this crazy?
Take a picture? Do it.
Yeah. Okay, just follow these tracks over here,
Okay.
and you'll be safe. These tracks right here, because you can ski down here or around. Woo! So this is a little steep bit here. This one and the next one. Woo! Actually, you can go down here a bit more. Pretty sick, eh?
Yeah, that beginning part was awesome. It's my first day on these skis.
Yeah?
Demoing them, yeah. I want something a little thicker for out here.
How'd you like that?
That was amazing.
It doesn't matter where you go. We're gonna go across that, just across that next ridge there. Yeah, you like that Abbey path that you just skied through. That's all avalanche debris.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So that's where I was gonna go next.
Okay, come down from up there.
Yeah. So this is all avalanche debris in here too.
Yeah.
I wish I had the balls to go down that.
Yeah, I don't.
No, neither do I. So just go over here and then just, once you get down, hug left and stay to the trees.
Sure.
And it's just deep.
All right.
Derek.
Woo! That's pretty sick, eh? So you look up there, you can see where you went. Wow. Just straight right up there. Look left.
Crap.
Look left up there, right?
Wow.
They're from our group.
Yeah? Just look where you went up there.
Wow.
See the tracks way up there?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's your tracks.
That's crazy. Yeah, this is
Well, we made it up to Flute. Yeah, just look at the mountains back here. Like, that's why I moved.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I work for a little company right now, and I think I'm gonna probably look for places out here.
But just look back there.
Move out here.
That's all heli skiing or ski touring, right?
Yeah. It's nuts.
Yeah, I don't know the names of them all. Did you enjoy that hike?
Oh yeah.
Wasn't that bad, was it?
No. It's not very in shape.
We're on the top of Flute in 4K.
Oh boy.
We're in 4K.
Oh man.
It'll make us look better, right?
What?
It's in super view too. It'll make you look fat.
Oh, that'd be great. you want a drink of water?
I had one.
Okay.
See, I had 2 now. So this here is probably the easiest, I think.
This is what?
Easiest spot out of all of them. There shouldn't be anything here.
I think we're gonna take a little breather.
And there's scenery awestruck.
Sure. It's so blurry. No, just kidding about it. So let's video. Wow.
Okay, I'll show you this chute over here. So this is Flute Chute.
This is where they were gonna drop.
They were gonna drop right there. I could have done that, man. It's not looking that nasty. I'm gonna hit it.
Yeah.
So the other way is down that way and then around.
That's probably what we'll be doing.
But I'm gonna hit this. Woo! What? Woo! So sick! Wow! Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh. Yeah! Woohoo! Straight down! Come on, keep coming! Oh, she wiped out. Oh, well.
Fantastic.
Here, give me a pole whack. Here.
You want? Ah.
Pole whack. Look at my poles, they're demoed from that. You won't believe what I went down.
Yeah, we looked at it like, hell no.
And then I cut across. And there wasn't a single track.
How nice is it?
Oh, it was over it was like up almost to my waist.
Holy shit.
Yeah. As soon as I crept around the little corner, it was like, oh. Why didn't I should have went on the top of it? Because there was no cornice, there was nothing. I'll show you when we go back around this way, I'll show you.
You have to hike back up.
Ah, nah. Once I'm fucking getting hungry.
Yeah, I feel that.
Well.
Incredible. Thank you. I was just thinking, they could never put a left here. It would ruin
It would ruin it because it would just be trashed, right? So fast.
Yeah.
I know, like look behind you.
Yeah.
Like that's sort of where we went down before,
Yeah,
just like through those trees there.
That was awesome.
Yeah. I'll show you where I went down.
Okay.
It was so good. I even stopped and then cut through some rocks
Yeah.
where there was like not a single track. Yeah, that spot on the top there, That's my favorite snow. If it's not powder, it's that chalky stuff.
Yeah.
That's so
Kinda fun to
good.
go through, yeah.
Oh,
You did
so
it very well.
hopefully you can see it.